Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to remove label on Google Maps on an Android device. Well, removing labels give you the flexibility to customize the map according to your preferences or specific needs. Whether you are creating custom maps for personal use or professional purposes, the ability to remove labels allows for greater customization and control over the map display. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To remove a label from a specific location in the Google Maps, start by opening the app on your device. And if you have previously added a label to a particular location and wish to delete it, follow these steps. Okay, look for the saved option, typically located in the main menu or toolbar of the app. And within the save section, locate and select the option for labeled. This will display a list of all the locations to which you have added label for easy reference. Okay, browse through the label locations and choose the specific place from which you want to remove the label. Next, click on the three dots next to the location to access additional options. So from the menu that appears, select the remove option to delete the label associated with the selected location. Okay, by following these steps, you can effectively manage and remove labels from your saved locations on Google Maps, allowing you to keep your marked places organized and up to date. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to remove label on Google Maps on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.